We begin with the Idaho abortion case showdown before the U.S. Supreme Court. Less than 2 years after justices returned abortion policy to the states by overturning Roe, another case is before them. This one involves efforts to restrict abortion. Capitol Hill correspondent Eric Rosales has the latest. Eric?
Good evening, Tracy. The stakes are high. This is the first time Supreme Court justices are considering the scope of a specific state's abortion ban since Roe v. Wade was overturned. Pro-abortion activists say the Biden administration is right in using the Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act, EMTALA, to force nearly all hospitals to provide emergency abortions.
It's appalling that we are here today arguing about whether pregnant people who are facing blood loss, infection, the risk of death, the risk of loss of future fertility, can receive the health care that they need, including abortion.
Well, there's no conflict between EMTALA and the Defense of Life Act in Idaho. Both of them preserve the life of the mother and the unborn child. And so this manufactured difference is a very transparent attempt by the Biden administration to reimpose that federal mandate on abortion.
Inside, the justices heard oral arguments. The court is deciding whether Idaho's abortion restrictions conflict with EMTALA.
In cases like these, where there is no other way to stabilize the woman's medical condition and prevent her from deteriorating, EMTALA's plain text requires that she be offered pregnancy termination as the necessary treatment. And that's how this law has been understood and applied for decades.
Idaho accuses the Biden administration of a federal power grab to force its pro-abortion agenda on states.
If ER doctors can perform whatever treatment they determine is appropriate, then doctors can ignore not only state abortion laws, but also state regulations on opioid use and informed consent requirements. That turns the presumption against preemption on its head and leaves emergency rooms unregulated under state law.
Physicians say they're confused about competing laws and are worried about losing their licenses or face stiff penalties, even jail time.
It completely turns the entire system of how we've operated on its head. And it really, I think for a lot of doctors would make them start questioning, well, wait a minute, if the Biden administration is saying this about abortion, what's next?
All of this is playing out during an election year when the Biden administration is using the issue of abortion to energize voters and try and get them to the polls. Outside the U.S. Supreme Court, Eric Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.